Reese, I'm starting graphic design. I have no idea what to do. Okay, first things first. You're going to go into here and you're going to open up, you're going to right click on your desktop. You're going to go to New, Folder. Call it Graphic Design. DESIGN. That is how you spell graphic design. Alright? Do yourself a favor. You're going to go into the graphic design folder and you're going to make another folder. So in the graphic design folder, right click, go to New, Folder, and you're going to call this folder Car Design. The reason you're calling this car design, you're going to see right now. I'm going to now start graphic design by going into the Dropbox. Go right into the Dropbox right here. In the Dropbox, you're going to see a folder, a PDF that says Course Outline, okay, 18 and 19. Move it over, hit OK. Drag it to your desktop, it's fine. Open this course outline up. As you scroll down, you've already done the Microsoft training. Now you're up to graphic design, which starts here. Alright, there's roughly 13 or 15 units right here that you're going to do in order. I want them in sequence. So the first one you're going to do is right here. It's a car design. The next one's an Andy Warhol project. You got to do 3 versions of this. Then we have a zombie. We make ourselves into a zombie. Bottom line, you can click on all of these things and it opens up into a video. These are 7 videos for this one project. This project I give 2 weeks to do. The other ones I expect done in 1 week each. Okay? So, car design, you're going to see the videos. Click on your first video, and that's how you're going to start this. Alright? So when you click it, it's going to open up, and you're going to be able to follow a sets of directions. It's all over here. And the first thing you got to do for this project is to find a car. Alright, no problem. So we're going to find a car really quick before we're going to edit this, to edit it. So, first things first, go to the internet right now and locate yourself a car for your first project. So, I will go to images, and the first thing I will type in is it could be any car you want. Want to go BMW? Let's go to a BMW. Why not? Alright, so you get a BMW, try to get gray. Alright, because with gray, you have the best, gray is a neutral color, so you can pretty much do anything you'd like with it. This is a decent car. I could take this car. So I will right click, copy the image, right click, copy the image, and then you will then go into Photoshop. Here's how you get Photoshop. You go into your start menu and you'll see it over here in the Adobe menu. I try to always have it over here on your desktop, like on your toolbar, but if it's not, go right into here, go into Adobe Photoshop CS6 and open it right up. Okay, now this is the car I searched for. I found one. I'm going to right click and copy the image. Another thing, when you're searching for the images, you see the size of this, how it's 1300 by 903. You should do this. You should go to Tools, Size, Large. Make sure that you get a large image. So this image is pretty good and I chose it. So I'm going to right click on the image and copy it. Go into Photoshop, which we just opened. Go to File, New. It automatically puts the size in, hit OK. And then go to Edit, Paste. Bam, there's the car. Hit Control 0 and you will be able to see how the car looks. And you can hit the magnifying glass and hold Alt and you can back out also. Alright, so there is the car. You're then going to go to File, Save As. In Save As, you're going to go to the desktop. There's your file folder, that you just made called Graphic Design. What's the name of the folder we just made? Car Design. Go into that thing, name this file, which is a PSD. If it's not a PSD, it'll always be a PSD. It's the top selection. Make it a PSD. Call it Car Design. Hit Save. And now, in Car Design, PSD, there's your Car Design. It is a PSD. Hit OK and you're set. Now, your car is now ready to be edited. So, if we go into the course outline, we can keep the browser open because we might need to search for graphics. Go into the course outline. Now, go into Video 1. And Video 1 is right here. Now that you have the car, you're all set. Alright, so you just follow these videos. You keep making additions. with the 7 video sets, and this one shows you basically how to put rims on your car. So you're going to be able to put the rims on the car for this one video, and this video is very helpful. Alright, so there you go. It shows you how to do it. That's it. This is it. That's the rim. You're going to be putting this rim on the car, and these videos show you how to do it. They're all at your own pace. So this is this is how long is this? This is 3 minutes and 45 seconds into the video. So I know that I'm up to here. So let's say that you're working on the car in here. You can go to File, Save As, and then when you save it as car design, you should make a note that it's in the car design folder, of course, but that you're up to 3 minutes and 46 seconds on the video. So this way, if you save the car and then you start next time you come into class or whatever, you know to pick up right where you left off at 3 minutes 50 whatever seconds and continue going and making these layers continue to grow. That's how you do it. One last thing. Let's say I finish this project, right? It's all done. I've X'd out of it. Let's say I go to File, New, and I have a new project to do. I'm going to go to my course outline, which is right here. I finished up the car design is finished, I did all 7 of them, my car is in the folder, it's in the right spot, everything is done, it's finished in its entirety. The next project is Andy Warhol. You're going to make an Andy Warhol portrait. Well, guess what? You can click on this one video, and you're going to do 3 versions of it. Alright, I don't want to have audio throw up here, but the Andy Warhol is a totally different project where you're going to be making a Warhol. And Andy Warhol was a famous artist in like the late 60s, along with another guy, Roy Lichtenstein, and he made images that look like this, that kind of made fun of popular culture. Well, that's your next project. Can you guess what you're going to do when you go into the graphic design folder? You have a car design folder. Can you right click? You're going to go to New, Folder. Can you imagine what the name of this folder is going to be called? It's going to be called Andy Warhol. And after that, you put all the files that pertain to Andy Warhol in here. Alright? So this way, at the end of this over here, where are we? Here. By the time we're done with this, we're going to have folders for each of these. And this is what you call a portfolio. Alright? So you're going to be able to go into your portfolio, and that is going to be in your graphic design folder, and you could take this with you to college, you can take this with you to art, any art circle that you go to, and you could show your graphic design skills. And they're all built off prior knowledge. So you learn everything for web and print with just these, this one document, and following all these video tutorials. Okay? I wish you good luck.